Welcome to Pure Kitchen, guys. Today we're gonna fry a hen. We're gonna deep fry this hen, and then we're gonna make a dressing to go on the hen while it's sitting in the oven. So join me as we head out here to the deep fryer. So we're just putting our chicken there, our hen, our hen. So we're gonna fry there, and then we're gonna change sides. And when it's finished, we're gonna take it inside, let it cool off, and then we're gonna make our dressing to go on top of it and put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And the chicken there, looking good. Guys, and this chicken was soaking it was seasoned and put in the freezer for 2 days. So the meat is well seasoned and it actually soak in real good. So I noticed it can be very juicy. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Yes, I'm making my dressing for my chicken, and I'm using a sweet chili sauce, and I'm using some molasses and honey. And I'll make my own into my chicken. You see my dressing look right here? My chicken cool down, then I'll be putting this on it and put it in the oven. So now I'm putting my dressing on my turkey, on my chicken, on my hen. trying to get all over. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes on 350. It's already cooked, but now this dressing gonna seep into the meat a little because this is a little spicy and sweet. So you give it that nice taste. So here we go. Cover it because I don't want it to get drier. So I'm just put it all over it. You guys can see the end result when it's come out of the oven.